Hello student, just see, this is the different types of dictionaries. Okay, see here, this is Marathi to English dictionary, this is Oxford dictionary, and these are some dictionary related to textbook. Okay, and also standard wise. Just see here, this is standard 7th, okay, which is based on English subject. Okay, and this is dictionary also, this is standard 7 dictionary, and it is related to subject general science and mathematics, means the word which comes in science and mathematics subject, these are specially given in this dictionary, so it is also useful to the students. Okay student, so student, today we are going to learn our next lesson, lesson number 11, in the word of dictionaries. Okay, first of all I will show you how to find out the meaning of specific word, and for that purpose we taken our first word, that is dictionary. See here, dictionary. Now I will read for you. Dictionary, noun, a book that lists and explains the words of a language or the topic of a subject. Okay, the meaning is given here. So specially all the list of words in alphabetical order and explain their meaning in the same language or another language is given in dictionary. A book that explains words used in a subject. Okay, in Marathi the meaning of dictionary is which is gives you शब्दांचे अर्थ, उच्चार, त्यांचा वापर याबद्दल माहिती देणारे पुस्तक. It is called in Marathi शब्दकोश. Okay, I will explain the meaning in Marathi also. It is called in Marathi शब्दकोश, which gives you the idea of their meaning, the meaning of the specific word. Also dictionary helps you to give you the proper pronunciation. It also helps you to give the grammar idea about that specific word. Okay student, so we are going to learn our next lesson in the word of dictionary. First of all, see student, no exercise have been given in the textbook. Okay, only some questions are given in the workbook. Okay, so the specific questions are given in your workbook only. Now student, do loud reading of this lesson. Okay, now we comes to know what is the uses of dictionary. Okay, just see, in your page number 24 is given. I will read, you also read after me. Words in a dictionary are usually arranged in alphabetical order. Just see student, there are alphabetical order is given in the dictionary. For example, it starts from alphabet A and it ends with alphabet Z. Okay, all the words start from these alphabets are given in the dictionary. Okay, means it usually arranged in alphabetical order. All the dictionaries are usually arranged in the alphabetical order. Now just see the second use of dictionary. A dictionary tells us what a word means. Okay, what is the actually word means. It gives the idea about this specific word. A dictionary shows us how a word is spelled. Okay, means how to pronounce the word. It is given in a correct way in the dictionary. So it helps us how to pronounce, how to spell the given word properly. Next, a dictionary tells us how a word is pronounced. Okay, what is the actually pronunciation of the given word, it gives in the dictionary. So dictionary helps us to know how a word is pronounced. A dictionary shows us the different forms of the same word. For example, rose, roses, go, going, went, gone, etc. Means according to tense, it gives you the idea about the specific word. A dictionary tells us with the help of examples how a word is used. What is the use of this specific word? It gives you the idea with the help of dictionary. We get the idea with the help of dictionary. A dictionary lists many other words, phrases related to that word. It is not like this only limitations is given here, but all the dictionaries are used for getting the new words. Another many words are given, include in the dictionary. A dictionary points out the different meanings of words which have the same spelling. See student, there are the spellings are same in two different words, but what is their meanings? Their meanings are changed. So dictionary helps us to give the specific idea about their meanings. A dictionary also tells us the grammatical class to which a word belongs. For example, it is mentioned in the dictionary, it is noun or it is verb, when it used for the form of the grammatical forms. Okay, so dictionary are very useful to know the proper idea about the grammatical class which is the word belongs. You will learn about this class of words when you are a little older. Okay, so all these are the uses of dictionary is given in our textbook. Okay, now we go to our next question. The question is like this. Write down the types of dictionary. Okay, mention the different types of dictionaries. Just see here. First of all, first dictionary is children's dictionary. Then pronouncing dictionaries, dictionaries of synonyms, visual dictionaries, encyclopedia dictionaries, and the last one is online dictionaries. These are some types of dictionaries. Now just see here, our first types of dictionary is children's dictionary. Now see here what is given in this dictionary. Some dictionaries are designed specially for children. For example, in our first video I will show you some different types of dictionary which is related to textbook. Okay, which are very important for all of you, all the school going student. They are used in dictionary according to their subjects also. It helps you to getting the proper idea about the word comes in your specific subject. For example, English, maths, science. Okay student, now just see, they include only a few thousand words, but there are many pictures and diagrams in children's dictionary. See student, children always like to see the pictures, diagrams. Okay, these are give the interest to the children to read these words. Okay, this is the purpose to all this dictionary, children dictionary is mentioned the pictures related, the diagram related to the words. So it is very interesting for the children to find out the meaning of the word in very learn and fun method. Okay, there may also be word games, puzzles and jokes based on the meaning or use of word. Okay, this is also very interesting task when we solve the puzzles, when we solve these word games, which is very important to getting the proper knowledge. Okay student. Now just see our next types of dictionary is pronouncing dictionary. Okay, before that I will give you the idea. Dictionary always help us to how to pronounce, to how to spell the specific word in correct way. Okay, now just see here what is given in this dictionary. Some dictionaries provide only the pronunciation of words. Okay, there are specific dictionary, they only work for the pronunciation. They all gives you only the idea about pronunciation of the specific word. It is shown with the help of special symbols. Okay, here they are using some symbols to give you the proper pronunciation of the word. Now just see the next types of dictionary is given. Dictionaries of synonyms. Synonyms means similar words. Okay, in Marathi we can say samanarthi shabda. Just see what is given in the dictionary. Some dictionaries gives list of synonyms, words which have a similar meaning. They may also include antonyms or opposite also. They give you the proper idea about the synonyms word of the specific word, and not only this, they also helps you to give you the proper antonyms or opposite words also. Now just see the next types of dictionary. Visual dictionary. Just check out this picture. The picture is given here. It is a plant. It is not only a plant, but all the parts of the plants are mentioned and give you the proper idea about these parts. Okay, it helps you to get the proper idea about the specific parts of the plant. See here, bird, leaves. When you see the specific picture, then you are getting the correct idea. Yes, this is called a leaves, this is called a bird, this is called a flowers, this is called a stream, and this is a fruit, and this is especially it's called a root, and it looks like this. Okay, so it's very interesting dictionary, student. So just see what is given here. Some dictionaries contain only visual or pictures. Okay, this is only give you the idea with the help of picture what is the correct meaning, how it looks like. Okay, they do not have to explain the meaning in words as the visuals speak or themselves. The visual may be in the form of photographs, diagram or hand-drawn pictures. They are all labeled. Just see here, all the parts are mentioned with the help of labeled here. See the simple visual given alongside in the same way. Even complicated machines or systems are made simple in a visual dictionary. Yes, student, it's always help you to get the correct meaning, to get the correct picture in your mind. Okay, now just see the next types of dictionary. It is called encyclopedic dictionaries. Encyclopedia are books that give a lot of information on a great number of topics. Encyclopedic dictionaries too give a lot more information about most of the words that contain. These dictionaries are usually quite thick and contain many more words than the smaller ordinary dictionary. Encyclopedia, yes, it's very vast media. Okay, they gives you the lots of information about your word. They gives you the extra information related to your word. So it's very important to learn all these types of dictionary. Now just see the next one is online dictionaries. Okay, online dictionary always need the internet, okay, for working of their system. They are very easy to use. Okay, now we are going through we are using all the latest technology. We are going through the distance learning with the help of this smart media. So nowadays it is very important. Just see what is given here. You just type the word you want to look up and instantly you are shown its meaning. Just see the miracle, student. Okay, only that when you want to get any information, you only type the word and you instantly, within a second, within a moment, you are shown its meaning, uses, all the information. Okay, it's very fast. You can even listen to the proper pronunciation of a word. A printed dictionary cannot do this. Okay, so it helps you in a few minutes. You get your meaning of your word, your proper pronunciation of word, and much more. So there are different types of dictionaries, and it is also give in this chapter how to use of the dictionary and how you use all this dictionary in your proper work. Okay, now just see here, this is your activity is given here. You can make your own dictionary, student. Write the meaning and other information about the word you plan to include in your dictionary. Now you make your own dictionary, student. Okay, you can take your rough pages and make one dictionary. You also mention the word, their meaning. Okay, and also you plan to include in your dictionary what is you want. On cards of the same size, use a separate card for each word. Okay, arrange the cards in alphabetical order. Before you make this dictionary, you go through with any one dictionary. First of all, observe any dictionary and you take the help of this dictionary to make your own dictionaries. Use a separate cards for each word. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Always remember in your mind, always write the words according to alphabetical order. Your dictionary is ready. Moreover, you can add new words to this dictionary whenever you like. Okay, this is your own dictionary. So enjoy and make this dictionary. Okay, and also learn the types of dictionary. What is the use of dictionary? Okay, student? Thank you.